So our X lights basically have a cover, and what we do is we drill a hole in the deck, wire goes through the bottom, and then we mount this to the deck with stainless steel screws. Always use a stainless steel screw. I don't care if you're outside up in Missouri, make sure you use a stainless steel screw, it's going to last forever. So for each of our lights, we're going to be installing them using a drum connector. Basically, we crimp everything inside the drum, gel-filled cap, and keeps everything to a sealed system. Keeps our lights burning for the 20 years that we're warrantying them for. I'm just using a 1-inch paddle bit to go right through the deck. And basically, go to the floor. The X lights have a little nub on the bottom of it, so you have to drill a hole. I like to put in one screw and then adjust it, make sure it's perfectly straight rather than putting in two and having it crooked. All the lights that we use are all non-corrosive, solid brass, 6061 aircraft aluminum. All the wiring that's used to build the lights is also a tinned, non-corrosive marine grade wire. So it just makes sense that the wire that we hook everything up with should also be the tinned, non-corrosive marine grade wire, which is all we use. When we place those in our drum connectors, it's a totally sealed system. You are never going to have an issue with this. There'll be no arcing, there'll be no failures on the connections, and we just make sure our system's burning for those 20 years that we're guaranteeing it for.